Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Religiously Fit. So today's video is going to be a very special one. As some of you might already know that I stopped using social media, that is mainly Instagram and Facebook, from quite a while now. I think around more than 8 days. Okay, so I just thought of channeling my feeling, emotion, and whatever I have in my mind. I just thought of documenting that and sharing with everyone. So see guys, sorry. I'll be very honest with you in this video. I'm always honest, but uh, see, I stopped using this and I feel so good about it. Uh, I was thinking from quite a while that I should stop using this because I think, in my own opinion, it's a very subjective matter again. So, in my own opinion, I feel this social media was not adding anything to my life, but rather it was taking something from my life, and which I was fine feeling it is degrading my life in some dimensions. Okay, so now I feel much more relaxed, calm. Uh, Literally, I have so much peace in my life. I have so much time in my day that I can do so many things. From last 8 days, I started walking more. I am taking evening walks or afternoon walks every day. I finished 4 books in last 8 days, which is incredible. You know, uh, so see. I feel like I was an addict, and I'm not shameful by using this word, because I think most of us are, but we don't tend to use this word, or we don't tend to come in public and say that, yeah, I am an addict of social media. I want to get rid of it, but I am not able to. It is taking a lot of my daytime, my night time. Every one of us is using mobile phone while going to bed. It disrupts our sleep, the quality of sleep, the concentration, the anxiety. There are like millions and millions of uh, disadvantages, serious disadvantages of using this. And some of them I was feeling that, because of which I decided to stop using them, the platforms. And I feel that, still I have an urge, like when I wake up in the morning, in the like maybe in mid afternoon, I have an urge of checking my phone, like checking the Facebook and Instagram. But unfortunately, I was going to say unfortunately, see, that's an addict talking. So fortunately, I don't have these application in my mobile phone now and not in my laptop. So that's good for me. And when I get this feeling, this strong urge, okay, of using these medias, then what I do is, that's just a fraction of second. That is just a couple of seconds maybe. If you divert your mind within those seconds, it's very easy for me, and it's very easy for everyone. You just have to trust me, and you can try this. If you in case you are thinking to go this way, maybe partially, maybe for a week, maybe for a day or so. Okay, so whenever I'm getting that urge, so what I do is, sorry, there's a plane going over, and I have to. Okay, that's fine now. So whenever get that strong urge of strong need of using social media, what I do is I leave my phone in my bed or my table and just get out of the room, take some fresh air. Maybe if I can, then I read some book. Maybe I go out to take a walk. Like you must be thinking that, okay, if I get that urge a million times a day, then okay, every time I'm going out, every time I'm going out of my room or maybe house, or maybe reading a book, that's not practical. I believe that. I agree to that. That is not possible, definitely. But you have to, like, I am diverting my brain for that time from successfully from last 8 to 9 days now. So I have been very successful with that, and still I am learning that. I'm coping with that thing, because that was an habit. That was a habit which was I was having from last couple of years, and lately you might have seen that I was very much active on social media. So it's really tough for me to get rid of that, but I'm trying that, and I feel so good. And what I feel is, see, in today's time, like, we don't have so many actual real friends. Okay, we have these Facebook friends, Instagram friends, and that was not adding any value to my life. Like, I was just throwing so many posts and all those craps on, not crap, but so much information on social media. I'm thinking, okay, I get these likes, people like the content. I know some, like, most of my content is useful with respect to fitness and health, which I'll be continuing after some time. Again, I am doing it on my daily basis with my own like offline clients, my own self. and I'll be coming back again on that online medium, but I want to take a break, just concentrate on my own thoughts which I get on everyday basis. I'm sure everyone get quality thoughts when their mind is relatively more peaceful, calm, calmer. So you get these thoughts, but because of this social media thing, you don't get that stream of that thought because it gets interrupted every now and then. Okay, so now what I feel is that I'm getting those thoughts and I'm trying to concentrate on where my life is going, where it has to go, what is going right, what is going wrong, all those fundamental things. And I'm talking to my family more and spending some good time with them instead of wasting my time on these medias. So far so good, and I feel happy about it. I was just thinking to share these things and document these things, the feelings and emotions, so that if any one of you, at least maybe a one person at least, is thinking the same way to get rid of this or maybe take a break from this, so they might find this video a little helpful or maybe some kind of directional and intuitive. So that was the reason of shooting this video. Thank you so much for watching. I think it's quite dark here. I'm just sitting in front of a light in a community park in my neighborhood. It feels so good to see happy faces, human faces around, to talk to them. I was sitting in this park from like maybe from last hour. Three people came to me and they just complimented me, like they just talked to me. Okay, I was just holding a water bottle and they said that's a nice way to hold a bottle. So I felt just good. That's a very basic thing, and that is called human interaction, which makes us feel human and good. So that is good, and it's good for your health. Again, it's very very good for your health, mental health, physical health. You go out, take some air, do some walk, read some book. Okay, so you repair yourself, you are into a recovery mode and you get best out of it. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope this was useful and this might help you in getting rid of any of those things, whatever you are thinking. So have a blessed and a happy life. Have a good night, take care, and see you again. Bye bye.